है ना। अच्छा, Reno 5 5G Pro वीडियो से पहले आज आपको मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन देने वाला हूँ। मुझे आप भाई लोग पूछ लें कि भाई आप क्या करते हो, कहाँ रहते हो, तो ये रहा मेरा जवाब। मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में है। मैं आईटी प्रोडक्ट्स पे काम किया है। मुझे आईटी प्रोडक्ट्स पे रिसर्च किया है, आईटी प्रोडक्ट्स पे लिखा है और मुझे मोबाइल और गैजेट्स में थोड़ा शौक रखता हूँ। रिसर्च करने का एक आदत सा बन गया है। आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देने से पहले इसी रिसर्च का टेक्निक में आता है ताकि आप भाई और बहन लोगों को सही इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकूं। अब अभी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, कर लीजिए, आपको इस चैनल पे सही और काम का इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलने वाला है। मेरा फेवरेट ब्रांड्स है सोनी, मोटरोला और एप्पल, और मैं शुरू से एंड्रॉयड यूज करते आ रहा हूँ। तो चलिए इसी बात से वी विल स्टार्ट Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G video. Some sources say that Oppo Reno5 Pro will be launched in India in January 2021, and some sources say February 2021. But I have checked on Oppo's official website that there isn't any news about this mid-range flagship. Oppo Reno 5 Pro to house 6.55-inch with Corning Gorilla display. No specification about Corning Gorilla 2 or 3. This mid-range flagship to flaunt AMOLED screen with bezel-less punch hole and 1080 by 2400 screen resolution. The 90 Hz refresh rate will complement your action, movie binge watching and gaming experience. The 393 ppi pixel density will get your job done without a hiccup, but would have loved to see a higher pixel density in this mid-range flagship. The 90 Hz refresh rate will complement your action, movie binge watching and gaming experience. The 393 pixel density will get your job done without a hiccup. But I would have loved to see a higher pixel density in this mid-range flagship. Camera. The eyes are important to see this beautiful world, isn't it? So is for this mid-range powerhouse. This smartphone sees the world through its quad cameras, powered by a 64 megapixel main shooter, a 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter, a 2 megapixel macro shooter with all the standard controls such as ISO, HDR, etc. to maintain the picture accuracy. On the flip side, a 32 megapixel shooter to power your selfie photo shoot. वीडियोस में मजा आ रहा है तो सब्सक्राइब दबा दो भाई, और बेल आइकॉन मत भूलना। सब्सक्राइब बटन और बेल आइकॉन किस लिए यूट्यूब दिया है, बस दबा दो भाई लोग। Performance. Cortex A77 quad core and A55 quad core processor with a clock speed of 2.6 GHz and 2 GHz respectively. A little over standard 8 GB RAM will help this mid-range monster to handle the graphic intensive game. A Mali G77 GPU will perform its duties. I'm a little skeptical about the combination of 4300 mAh battery with 65 watt charger. Why do you need a super fast charger for a puny battery? Isn't that a smaller battery implicitly charges faster without higher wattage charger? We'll have to wait for the real world performance of this battery. Storage and connectivity. Oppo Reno 5 Pro is set to have 128 GB fixed storage, but to have you connected you to the world, a super fast 5G supporting chipset is provided, along with the NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C connector. The monstrosity of this mid-range flagship is further enhanced by latest Android 11 out of the box. The in-display fingerprint sensor could be missing, though I am quite not sure. Again, Oppo has claimed 92% screen to body ratio. A dual nano SIM is also provided. Expected price is around 39,000 rupees or $528. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to